If you want to know my number one beauty secret for the best hair, the best skin, it's this: using a satin pillowcase. So I was so kindly gifted these by Degrees of Comfort for my honest review, and I was more than happy to test them out and let them know. For me, I've always used this, well, for the past probably 10, 15 years, I've used a satin pillowcase exclusively, to the point that I travel with my pillows and I travel with my pillowcases because I can't be without them. It just doesn't feel the same. So for me, I love this purple color. It makes my bed look like a jewel with this gorgeous purple. And I also loved that it has an envelope closure, because satin pillowcases can actually tend to slip and slide. So for me, this doesn't really move. And as you can see, it has a super nice stitching. It's actually, I forget the name of the exact type of stitch, but super secure, super well made. I also love that you can throw this in a washer and dryer, because I'm not hand washing. I don't know about you, but I loved it. It was super soft, super silky, and I just love them. I will definitely be using these.